One of the really cool things about Merlo is you don't have to do any special installations, any software, new software into your environment in order to start using Merlo. Merlo is fully integrated into your Office 365 environment. That means you can access Merlo, talk to Merlo via Microsoft Teams, just like you're talking to one of your colleagues within your business. To install, all you need to do is you open your Office, Microsoft Teams application, go to apps, and when you go into apps you can always go into build for your organization. So we obviously deploy Marlow into your organizational app store, so it's extremely secure. No one else outside of your organization will have access to Marlow. You come here, you look at, you see Marlow, and all you need to do is you press add. Then you get this, click add again, and that's going to install Marlow. So this is extremely easy. Few steps to do. There you go. Marlow is now installed in your environment. That's Marlow. Marlow is now installed and ready to go in your environment.